Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. So as you can see, I have here another piece that I want to show you, and this is a very stretchy pattern. Although it looks like it's knitted, it's actually crocheted. And yeah, the cool thing about it is that it's really stretchy, so it's really great for doing cuffs of your sweaters, and then on top you just continue with the sleeves on here. So yeah, it can look great, or even for a winter hat or anything else pretty much. So I wanted to show you how you can do this, and yeah, I'm also going to show you how you can do the edges on here and keep those neat. So as you can see, this is what I have for now. I did try it out quite a lot before I figured it out. But yeah, I think this one is actually the neatest, and that's what I'm also going to show you in the video. So let's get started right away. So I'll start with just 12 chains so that you can follow and so that the video isn't too long, but you can do any number of chains that you wish. And we're doing one more, and then we're going into the back section, so into the back piece of our chain, and we're just gonna go through. So it's like a slip stitch actually, and then we're just continuing with every next stitch that we see. And you can probably notice that I'm holding my work with my ring finger as I work with it. So this definitely makes everything easier in case you're just having some difficulty figuring it out. And I'm just going to finish this first row so that I can show you what we start with. So it actually turns out really nicely right away, so you can see how lovely this looks. It looks very neat. And now what we want to do here to start the next row is a chain for the height, and then we want to go, I'll show you on here, so you want to find this side piece right here, and that's where you're gonna go, so just the back section of each stitch that you see, so not both of them as we usually would do. And then you want to do a slip stitch again, and we're again continuing the same thing for every stitch that we see on here. Okay, this is 5, and now I'm going to catch it with my ring finger to make everything easier as I continue. And 12. And now we're gonna not do a chain for the height, but we're right away gonna go with the slip stitch through. And then we're again doing the same thing for each stitch that we see. So as soon as you catch it with your ring finger, the easier it's going to be. Okay, so now what we want to do is go through this edge because we don't have a chain, so we didn't work a chain for the height. So we're going to go through like this. Then we're going to turn, and we're again going to start right away without doing a chain to start with, or a chain for the height. 5, nine, and 10, one more, 11, and 12 is again in here. And then we're again going through it and doing a slip stitch on top. And then we turn and we're gonna start right away the same thing that we've been doing so far. So all that you need to take care of is basically that you don't skip any stitches so that you do them to the very end. Especially take care at the end because it can be a little bit tricky to see if you've done the last one or not. But yeah, that's what you want to take care of. So you can see here the two that are looking good, we're gonna do those. There we go. And then this weird one at the end, so that's the one that you don't want to skip. And then we're gonna turn again and we're gonna continue. Four and 5. Eight. And you can see here again the one that's looking nicely, and then you know that before you finish off that row you still need one more, and that way you get this lovely edge that you can also get new stitches out of if you'd like to do a sweater or whatever. So yeah, you can definitely start new stitches from the top, but you can see how stretchy this is, and I think it's a really great way to achieve some stretch in your work if that's what you're looking for. So yeah, the edges are very nice. You can see that it's all really straight, really neat, and yeah, I hope you guys like the way this looks. So yeah, I hope I showed you something useful. I hope you're gonna use it in your own projects. Feel free to let me know in the comment section for what kinds of projects you used it. Apart from that, thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Have a great day. Bye!